Hello, today we will guide you through how to recover forgotten Gmail password. If you're trying to sign in to Gmail but can't remember your password, don't worry. Google provides a recovery flow that can help you get back into your account and set a new password. In this walkthrough, we'll go through the basic on-screen process so you can follow along with confidence. To begin, go to the Gmail sign-in page and try to enter your password. If you think you may remember it, it's worth giving it a careful attempt. Make sure your caps lock is off and double check for typing mistakes, since passwords are case sensitive. If the password doesn't work or you realize you've forgotten it, move on to the recovery options. On the password screen, click Try Another Way. This is the option that tells Google you need a different method to verify your identity. Depending on your account settings, device history, or security setup, Google may offer you several different recovery choices. You may now see more options on the screen. These can vary from person to person, so don't be concerned if your screen looks a little different. Review the available choices and select the one that works for you. If none of the displayed options are possible in your situation, click Try Another Way again. The goal here is to continue through the recovery flow until Google presents the next available path for account access. Once you reach the option to continue with changing your password, click Update Password. This means Google has verified enough information to let you secure the account with a new password. Take your time on this screen because choosing a strong password is important for keeping your account safe. Next, enter your new password and save it. When creating it, choose something secure and memorable. A good password is usually long, unique, and not reused on other websites. After that, click Save Password. Once it's accepted, follow the instructions shown on your screen to continue. Google may guide you back into Gmail automatically, or it may ask you to sign in again using the new password you just created. As a final tip, after you regain access, consider updating your recovery settings so future sign-ins are easier if this happens again. You may also want to store your new password in a trusted password manager so it's easier to find later. That's it. You've now gone through the process of recovering a forgotten Gmail password and setting a new one.